Episode 3. Let's get it.
So on today's episode, we're working with a brown jean jacket. I added a lot of floral designs on it with a regular sharpie. This jean jacket, I had it for about 3-4 years now. I wanted to start something new with it. It's a Forever 21 jacket. I thought to myself, what would look cool on the back? So 21 Savage album is at the top with V-Lone and Palm Angels. All the paint that I used is very affordable from Walmart, probably 50 cents. It took me a while to create this jacket and paint it, so I just sped up the painting process, so you guys enjoy. Currently letting the jacket dry right now. The brown is setting in, is making the jacket look very nice. As you paint, you always want to understand it might look rough, but the ending product is always going to be beautiful.
Lucas.
Details, details, details. Here's the front of the jean jacket. I made sure I had a lot of detail for a floral, for rainforest type background. I bought 2 birds from Walmart to add effect to it. No lie, this is my favorite part of the jean jacket. I think it came out great.